Here you go, American Studies. Here's your overview of the whole essay if you're really confused. We're trying to answer this big highlighted question here. How did the US contain communism? The main question, right? And it tells us down here, describe three different ways the United States contained communism. These are your three body paragraphs. We went over these documents right here in class. These are your evidence. I'm giving them straight to you. You use these in your three body paragraphs to explain how, not why, not where, how did the US contain communism? So, in what different ways? Secretly, through all out war, you tell me, okay? Um, you need to use these documents. You can also use this background essay. There's extra evidence right here. I even gave you this clue that you can find some examples of how the US contained communism right here. So what I've been asking you to do over these last 3 days that we've had cold days is to write a thesis roadmap and turn that in. There's an extra video on Canvas about that. To work on an outline and to have a rough draft ready to go for Friday. So if you look on Canvas, there is a video that kind of talks about how to write a good introduction. I don't use this specific question. I made one up about my son, but it kind of explains what the difference between a thesis and a roadmap is. So feel free to look at that. If you're even more confused, this answer sheet right here, it is on Canvas too, called DBQ answer sheet. What you're going to do is go through and, for example, document B, you would say Berlin, the airlift, the U.S. contained communism through aid, right? We sent aid there to make capitalism seem better than communism. That's just one prime example. I asked you to have a rough draft ready to go for tomorrow, for Friday, because you're going to be doing some peer editing. So those who have it ready, your papers are going to be that much more stronger. I'll have more time to look at your paper. Those who for some reason don't have it done, you'll be writing and catching up because come Monday, this will be due. Okay? Email me if you have questions. Thanks. So, overall, you're writing an essay on this big question, how did the US contain communism? Have a rough draft. Does it need to be perfect for tomorrow? No. But take some time today. There's still time. Write a rough draft and have it ready to go.